This time I will be travel for one pub and photography him menu, and I want to share with you what I packing for my backpack where I have exactly that shoot. I'm Monika, food and product photographer, and I sometimes photography restaurant, coffee shops, pub, and not only food in my studio, in my home, not only product. This time I will be photography only 20 dishes on simple background, 1 to photo each dishes, that's it. And first things is of course my camera. Is Canon 7D Mark II with the lens 50mm f1.8. This is first things. I have always second lens Sigma 35mm because sometimes I must take a few dishes together. The shoot, this is perfect, or interior photography inside show how looks the place or something. This is perfect lens for something like that. Next things what I take with me is my tripod. I never move without tripod. Easy job, you should take with you. Another things is back up the battery, because really you need something happen with your battery, or sometimes the photo should take more time and it's like battery die. Take always with you backup battery. The same the memory card. I have always backup with me. Always have with you because you don't know what's happened. Another thing is remote control, because sometimes I stay far and won't take the shoot, or I am a model on the photo shoot and I need that remote control. Easy to work with the camera and take the photo. Another things I have that clips, because I use the vinyl background. Sometimes vinyl background is not straight on table or won't put a different position. That's why I use this clip. Another thing is white foam board, because the weather is not nice, the shadows is too strong. I need something what will be bouncing the lights, make bright the photo and the shadows more soft. Another thing is diffuser. The same, the small diffuser, the same, because if something's coming from the window so strong lights, I must diffuse the lights. And last things is the background. I choose 2-3 background always when I go. I know exactly which color or pattern or something, because I talk with the owner how we wanted the photo shoot to look. That's I take. This is everything what I really take with me when I go for that easy, simple photo shoot. But stay with me, because I take you for the place where I shoot and show you behind the scene. This is my backpack. I already packing stuff. Like you see, everything I have here. I close. It's small, not so big. Here is the stuff. Now we can go and travel to the place. Hey guys, I travel to the place. I have like 1 hour to drive for the shoot, and I think maybe I say something about me, little introduction, what I do, and how start my journal with the food and product photography. How what's happened this? Like you know, I am Monika, and I am food and product photographer, and like 7 years, 8 years, I can say, and 2 years I have a full-time my business, and full-time I am food and product photographer. But my journal started like 8 years ago. I traveled to South America for the be backpacker for 5 months, because I have job in here in UK, but I wasn't no happy. I worked too many hours. I was little tired at this job. I was burned. I can say I was burned. It was like I worked so much, 60, 70 hours per week there. I wanted to save money and have plan to buy the apartment or something like that, and this was my goal. But one moment came and I was burned. I don't have energy to work. That's why resignation with the jobs, buy ticket one way to the South America to travel first for Argentina. And there I was like 2 weeks and I do the voluntariat. I work on the farm. And I met there one guy who was from Chile, and he have camera, I don't remember what he have Canon or Nikon, Canon probably. And he make beautiful photos, and he have lens 50mm. Of course, I have my camera this time when I travel. It was like Nikon, but I used everything auto, not manual.
I didn't care about photography. I didn't think photography is something what I like. Because I never was person who liked to like art or something like that. I was a person who must to see something to do. I am more like I can fix it everything. I can repair something like that, but I am not that artistic person and what can work. And this after 8 years is change, I can say now. But of course, we can learn everything ourselves if we want to grow and do this. We need only time. At the back for the Argentina, I met the guy. He make beautiful photo. Little teach me how to use, but I still didn't understand the manual, how work with ISO, aperture, shutter speed. But after this, I travel in Bolivia, Ecuador, Galapagos. I start to learn about photography step by step, little. But the moment changed when I back from my trip after 5 months. I back to UK and I bought my camera. I changed my camera Nikon for Canon, the Canon 70 Mark II, what I have now after this 8 years. And believe me, this was good decision. I bought only body for beginning because before I bought the camera, I do research. Which camera is good, which lens is good for me, and I want something bright lens because I understand how work the bright lens, how important is aperture, what you have on your lens, and this was very important for me. And I bought my first lens was the Canon 50 millimeters 1.8, what I still have and still use, and was like the best decision, another good decision or what I done to buy this lens. But I started to photography for beginning street because I didn't know what I want to photography. I wasn't sure I want to photography food, but I start from street, people, something cars. I have one event with the old cars. I have a lot of photos and the photos was good. But I start to think about photography the food. I like the dark mood photography. I start to photography the food and food was terrible, the photos. That if I find the photo from this time, I will be left here. Few photos you can see is like completely. I don't understand how work with the lights. What is the styling? What is the composition in photography? I don't know nothing. And I bought this camera, the lens. I start to do food photography, but doesn't work. And I start to learn from YouTube because I am that person who first thinks, okay, I can learn myself. If something doesn't work, I will be invest money in the courses or something. But first, I learn myself or what I know, and I start to learn from internet, from books, from a newspaper, from YouTube, and more things. Like 1.5 year take me to learn this, be better, to understand what aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Take, believe me, this was not easy. Take me like 4 months to understand this parameter and how work and what is important in manual shoot. After 1.5 year, I think still my photography stops somewhere. I cannot grow, I cannot do nothing, and I don't understand what is wrong. And my decision was to take first course. Was like 2 days course about food photography. I must travel from UK to Poland. The course was Poland. Why I chose that? Because first was more cheap. Second, my English wasn't so good. I don't understand if I will be take course here in UK. Take me more time to understand how everything works. That was for me more easy, and the course was 1-to-1, 2 days. That's I not stressing because I am a person who is not confident if there's a lot of people around me. And it will be the course with the like 5-10 people. I will be don't ask so many questions what I can ask when I am 1-to-1 with the on the course with the person who teach me. And this was good decision because this course show me how much I know and how much still I must to learn what I do wrong and how I can speed these things to make better everything. After this course, I back to home and start to practice and make a better photo. If I find the photo, I show you how it looks on the course and after the course, what I done myself, because the teacher was amazing, was the lady, and was amazing 2 days. She's amazing teacher. She have like something what you can call, she born to be a teacher. But after this, I start to learn more photography, practice, more things to do, have my first clients later. But about this, maybe I talk another video. But now I will be say bye and see you on the place where I will shoot.
We are on the place. I show you little city because it's a little street to go to the pub. I show you this, and later we see inside on the photo shoot, like behind the scene. I show you how I set up my stuff, everything. I hope you like that video. Leave me in comment you are interested in something to see how I photography the restaurant, food, coffee shop. I will be make more that video for you. Guys, how you see, I have amazing today the place for shoot. I'm happy, beautiful pub. I show you later little behind the scene, but here is like amazing in the back. But the front I set up everything already, waiting for food and can start to photograph. Like you see, the pub looks so amazing. The front, outside, inside. I was happy I can shoot there for the working with owner. Was a very nice guy. We work smooth. He prepared the food. I can shoot on the him table. I use for background him table, like you see. I don't need to use my vinyl background. What was nice because the texture on the table was so amazing. Everything was so nice here to see the pub, how was inside, outside, Christmas decoration, everything. The shoot was so smooth. I make so beautiful photo. Now it's time to back home, editing and send the photo for the clients. But now I back to home. Thank you for today. Be with me here. I do something different. If you like that video, I will be do more that video from the shoot where I go, where I shoot outside, what I take with me, how looks, and maybe we talk more about how was my journey to be photographer, what I will be change, what I will be do different, and maybe show you something plus and minus because always is that in the business. But thank you for today and see you in next video.